This video is about adding buttons to the home page. So as we saw on our website, there we have included 5 buttons in the navigation bar. And also there's one button in the banner section over here. So let's see how to add buttons to the home page or to your website. So this is the code for it. So as I said in the previous video, because of the navigation navbar toggler class, when I reduce the size of the screen, there will be a button, and if you click on that button, it will show the navigation bar vertically. So this is called collapsible navigation bar. So in order to do that is to create a collapsible navigation bar, you have to use a button with class navbar toggler. So this class will add a button with data toggle collapse. So you can read this line over here. So data toggle collapse and data target. So there you have to write the target. So which is ID navbar nav. So over here I have created this ID. So this is the target. Now to wrap the navbar contents inside a div element, you can use the class collapse navbar collapse. So over here I have written that class in the div tag along with the target, which is navbar nav. So that is how you can add collapsible navbar. So for the button you have to use the class navbar toggler, and when you click on that button it will show the navigation bar. For that you have to include this class, which is collapse navbar collapse. Then the code is this. So for inside the unordered list tag, you have to write the class navbar navml auto, and inside the list item tag you have to include the class nav item, and then inside the anchor tag. So these buttons are actually links which will take, suppose the button is about us. So when you click on this button, it will take you to the about us page. So basically these are links. So that is why you have to write this button inside the anchor tag. So the classes that we are going to write inside the anchor tag are navlink, button, button info. Now the class button info will give the color blue to these buttons. And then the path of inside the href attribute, you have to write the path of the page. So for example, here I have written ID services. So in the services section, I will create this ID, and that is how it will understand where to go when you click on that button. Similarly, you have to follow the same code for the rest of the buttons. So we have 5 buttons: home, our courses, about us, login, and contact us button. Similar, just like the first button, you have to, inside the unordered list, you have to write one list item tag and one anchor tag for each button. And then finally you have to close the unordered list tag. And then the div and the navbar tag. So this is how I have added buttons to the home page or the navigation bar. There's one more button over here in the banner section which says watch demo lectures. So this is just a dummy button. So this is the code for it. This will not take you to any specific page, it is just a dummy button. So I've included the class play button and an image for that button inside the image tag. So that's it for this video. Thank you.